Hi guys, good morning. So today is gonna be a day in my life. So I literally just got done working out like an hour ago, and I took a shower and did my makeup because I'm gonna do like a vlog today. So I'm also gonna be filming a unboxing, and I think this vlog will be up first, and then I think Wednesday will be our mess unboxing, and I'm so excited to unbox it. So anyways, I'm gonna make myself a shake, and I'm gonna show you guys what's been like my favorite shake that I drink. And yeah, let's just go to the kitchen. Okay guys, so this is what I normally do. I have strawberries here, milk of your choice. I choose almond. I've been trying to do at least dairy free, and I have some ice there. And what I'm gonna do is put at least 1 scoop of this Teami wellness protein powder shake. They also sent me the tumbler on the go, which is amazing because I can't wait to use it on my tea. But what I've been doing is, like I mentioned earlier, is I slice some lemon, like slices, and I put water in it. And you can also do like the fruit if you want, like fruit, whatever your choice. Like I think I'm gonna try like orange and watermelon in here. So yeah, comes with this, and this is like the strainer, so you don't you don't drink like the seeds and like the fruits. So that's like really smart, and it can fit 600 ml water, which is like 20 ounce. So yeah, I'm gonna slice my lemon so I can drink my lemon water. Okay guys, so Teami reached out to me, and I was so shocked, and I'm kind of like happy that they reached out to me, and they sent me these Teami wellness protein powder and also the tumbler on go. But that doesn't make me like, I will still give you guys my honest opinion about it, and I already kind of like gathered my thoughts. I received the package last Monday, and I start using it, and I would do like slice like banana and then sometimes strawberry. So I don't like, I don't drink like the same shake every day. So last Monday I did the banana, and then Tuesday I did like strawberry, and then so I like switch up strawberries and banana. I don't know, I just kind of like the combination of it. So anyways, they also sent me the tumbler to go, which is, I think I'm gonna, what I did with that one is I put like lemon slices, and I put the put water, just like water in it, because I've been trying to drink a lot of water, at least a gallon of water a day. And yeah, like lemon, I mean, it's still not the same as like the regular water, but I've been trying to incorporate the lemon on it. And I have like my little cute teeny tumbler on the go, and I'm still waiting on my 30-day detox skinny tea, and the colon one, which is, I will let you guys know my thoughts about that as well. But anyways, this shake, you guys, it's bomb. It's like totally bomb, because I've been trying to like trying to eat healthy and trying to like be back on track again. And I do have like the protein powder. It's my husband got that from Amazon. I forgot the name brand, but I've been trying to like research and the plant-based powder. So it's kind of good thing that they reached out to me and they sent me this. So I choose this one because I just like want to make sure that it tastes good. But then yeah, it tastes good, and it says made with organic ingredients, and it's rich chocolate. But this one is, their promise says 100% plant-based protein, organic ingredients, vegan, non-GMO, and it also says dairy plus soy free, which is good because I'm trying to stay away with dairy. And it says made without artificial colors, artificial flavors, and artificial sweeteners. The good thing, I had like a Target, I purchased like plant-based powder. I'm not gonna say the name, but that powder tastes a little bit chalky. This one doesn't taste like that. If you are interested on purchasing like any Teami products, then you guys can use my discount code I mean, if you like, and if you don't, like, it's all up to you. But you can use my discount code. It's GlenT25 for 25% off. I'm also gonna make sure to put the link in my description down below. So no guys, enough with the Teami. I'm gonna drink my shake so I can start filming and go on with my day, because I still have to do like laundry, and I have to do like the kitchen, and I have to cook like food for like lunch. So I always do this, like after I work out I have to have my shake. Like I literally have to have my shake. So right now I'm just gonna do the laundry because I need to wash my work clothes. I'm trying to be productive. Oh, here you guys. So just open the light. Why I look so pale? So this is our laundry. I'm just gonna slide it through here. I think I'm gonna do like the colored one first. Yeah. Also you guys, I want to do like another giveaway to help out you guys if you guys are in need on cash. And I think, I don't know, I'm gonna announce it hopefully by next week, or another, maybe like in the next 2 weeks. I have to gather like what can I help, because yesterday I stopped by at my job's office to drop off some donation, like clothing and some essential, because one of my coworker, their house got burned in fire, and it's like the worst thing that could ever happen, especially that we are in the middle of pandemic. And imagine we're in the middle of pandemic and your house got burned, and it's so sad. Like I feel so horrible, and like the least I can do is at least donate like clothes and some essential goodies. So I drop it off at the office yesterday. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do another, maybe I think I would probably just cash giveaway. And I will, like I said, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, you guys can go there and follow me so you guys can keep updated. And I think I'm just gonna do one winner on YouTube, or like one winner on Instagram. I don't know, I have to gather my how to win. So I'm sure I'm gonna keep you guys posted about that. And I don't know, it just sucks that we're still in the middle of pandemic. There's no cure, and like I was planning to go home back this year, but I don't know if it's gonna happen soon or not, because I'm scared to fly out. And we still have we have millions. I don't even like watch news anymore, because like the number scares me. Like like the numbers, especially in the US, just keep rising. And I don't even, like I said, I don't want to watch news anymore. Hi guys, so I didn't end the vlog yesterday because we were gonna go to the beach, but we decided not to go since it's too crowded and it's way hot. And my battery died. I thought I charged it, but I forgot that I was filming the unboxing here. So yeah, this is me. I just want to show you guys quick. I got this package from Amazon. I ordered this from Amazon long time ago, but it's a sunglasses from Mosana. I like their packaging. Hold on, let me just like put you guys. So I got this glasses because I seen like Hailey Bieber, or I'm gonna call her Bieber now because she's married, Hailey Bieber, and she has this glasses every time, like a streetwear. And I think her original glasses are from like Chanel or Dior, I don't know, but this is like literally kind of like almost like a dupe with it. Look how pretty it is. It's like a squared eye sunglasses, and I'm so excited to use this in like pictures, because I can't like wear these because there's no prescription. But this is cute for like taking pics for like outfit. That is so cute. Comes with this cleaner. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I hope you guys, and plus I didn't test out my GoPro yesterday because I need to charge the battery because it was on 15%. So it was just no make sense if I'm filming and the battery's gonna die anytime soon. So maybe next weekend We're really planning to go out on the water next weekend because we, like I said, we have the boat, so we're gonna put the boat on the water and go fishing and crabbing. So yeah, maybe next week I'm gonna try to, you know, record over my GoPro. So anyway guys, I like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're interested in purchasing any Teami products, then you can use my coupon code for 25% off, which is GLANT25. I'm gonna put it in the screen and also in the description box below. I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.